This is a kind of the sculpture for the encounter of the human and non-human extraterrestrial intelligence. So the theme of this Biennale is a human aspect. So we are thinking about what kind of the encounter can be possible between human and non-human. I think that art is one of the aspects is thinking about the imagination. So we want to think about can we imagine what we can't imagine.
The main object in the middle of the space, it's a how to say it, it's a shape of platonic solid in four-dimensional space. So which should be discovered by any alien technology or civilization. So yeah, and so it's a kind of symbol of the non-human intelligence. And the audience can receive the signal from the antenna by the radio. So even just normal radio, which they can bring from their home, they can receive some signals.